Have you ever wanted to communicate with someone without speaking a single word, letting your thoughts travel across distances to reach them? Telepathy, the ability to send messages through thought, might sound mystical, but it is grounded in the science of energy and vibrations. Every thought you think carries energy, and this energy can reach your specific person, connecting you on a level beyond the physical. In this video, I'll show you how to effectively send a telepathic message to your specific person, even if they're far away or currently not in contact with you. By following this process, you can align your energy, make your thoughts more impactful, and create a stronger connection with your specific person. We are all interconnected through a universal energy field. Think of it as an invisible web, linking every person, place, and thing. When you focus your thoughts on someone, especially with intent and emotion, your energy naturally reaches them. This is why telepathic communication works. It taps into this interconnected field to convey feelings, messages, and even visualizations to another person. These are the key principles of telepathy. Thoughts are energy. Every thought you have sends out a vibration. Positive, focused thoughts are stronger and more impactful. Connection is key. If you have an emotional or mental connection with someone, your thoughts are more likely to resonate with them. Timing matters. Sending telepathic messages when the recipient is calm, relaxed, or resting increases the chances of success. Preparation for telepathy. Before you send your message, it's crucial to prepare your mind and body. Follow these steps. Find a quiet space. Choose a time and place where you won't be disturbed. Ideally, this should be somewhere peaceful where you feel relaxed and focused. Relax your mind and body. Take a few deep breaths to calm yourself. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly. Repeat this 2 to 3 times to release tension and bring your thoughts to the present moment. Set your intention. Be clear about what you want to communicate. Are you expressing love, sending an apology, or simply letting them know you're thinking of them? Clarity strengthens your message. Visualize your specific person. Picture your specific person in your mind's eye. Imagine their face, their smile, their voice. See them in a relaxed and receptive state. Now that you're prepared, here's how to send your telepathic message. Enter a meditative state. Close your eyes and continue breathing deeply. Focus your attention on the space between your eyebrows. This is often referred to as the third eye, or your center of intuition. Let all distracting thoughts fade away. Visualize the scene. Picture your specific person in a calm setting, such as sitting on a couch, lying in bed, or relaxing in a park. Imagine being near them, feeling their presence. Notice the details, their clothing, the sounds around them, and even the scent in the air. Establish the connection. In your mind, imagine placing your hand gently on their shoulder or calling their name softly. Visualize them turning to look at you with loving eyes, ready to listen. Send your message. Speak your message in your mind. Use short, clear sentences that convey exactly what you want to say. For example, I care about you deeply. I miss you and hope you're doing well. I'd love to hear from you soon. As you send your message, focus on the feelings behind your words. Feel the love, warmth, and sincerity you want them to receive. Pause and listen. After sending your message, pause for a moment as if giving them time to respond. Even if you don't hear anything back, trust that the energy of your message has been received. Return to the present. Once you've sent your message, gently bring yourself back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths and open your eyes. What to expect after sending your message? Telepathy works on subtle energy levels, so the response from your specific person may not be immediate or obvious. Here are some signs that your message has reached them. They reach out to you. They might call, text, or message you seemingly out of the blue. They mention something related to your message. If you expressed love or care, they might say something along those lines. You feel a stronger connection. You might sense that they're thinking about you or feel their energy around you. Dreams or intuitive insights. You or your specific person may dream of each other, indicating that the telepathic link is active. What to do if it doesn't work? Right away. Telepathic communication isn't always instant, and sometimes it takes a few attempts to establish a strong connection. Here's how to proceed if you don't see immediate results. Wait for 3 days. Allow time for the energy to settle and for your message to resonate. Avoid repeatedly sending messages, as this can create energetic resistance. Reassess your energy. Ensure you're in a positive and calm state when sending your message. Negative or desperate energy can block the connection. Trust the process. Even if you don't see tangible results, trust that your message has been received on a subconscious level. These are the common mistakes to avoid. Focusing on negative thoughts. If you're feeling frustrated, anxious, or doubtful, those feelings will be transmitted instead of your intended message. Overthinking the outcome. Constantly checking for signs or obsessing over their response creates resistance. Let go and trust the process. Skipping preparation. Rushing into telepathy without calming your mind or setting your intention can dilute the power of your message. To strengthen your ability to send telepathic messages, practice the following regularly. Daily meditation. Quiet your mind and enhance your focus. Visualization exercises. Practice imagining people, places, and scenarios in vivid detail. Affirmations. Reinforce your belief in your telepathic abilities with affirmations like, "I am a powerful sender of loving energy. My thoughts reach my specific person effortlessly." Telepathy is a beautiful way to connect with your specific person on a deeper, energetic level. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and intentions, you can send powerful messages that resonate with their subconscious mind. Remember, the key is to approach this practice with love, positivity, and trust. So, find a quiet moment, relax, and let your thoughts flow toward your specific person. You'll be amazed at the connection you can create and the results that follow. Happy manifesting.